Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to transition your Instagram personal account to Instagram business account. And I will also gonna tackle what's the difference between business account and creator's account. And not just that, I'm also going to share with you what are the advantages or the benefits that you can get if you will switch your personal account to business account. So if you would like to learn more, just keep on watching. So a lot of you are messaging me asking, so can you please create a tutorial on how to create an Instagram business account? But actually you are not going to create it. You will just have to set your Instagram personal account na maging Instagram business account na siya. But it depends kung gusto nyo talagang magkaiba yung personal Instagram nyo at saka yung business account nyo. For me, I created two for my personal and my business account. On my personal account, anything na gusto kong i-upload for memories na kahit picture lang, or even I sometimes I post there without caption. I just wanted to post there. Parang ganun lang for memories. Anything na i-post ko na may value siya and then it's also connected with my business, I'm also going to post it here. The reason why I'm creating two accounts because itong business account ko, ito yung sinesend ko sa mga clients ko na nag-a-ask kung ano yung mga socials ko. So, hindi ko sinesend yung personal, itong business account lang. But before I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to transition or switch your personal account to business account, or maybe your client's Instagram personal account to business account, I'm going to discuss first what's the advantages if you are going to switch from personal to business. So the first advantage that you can get is that you will have the access to insight. Kung personal lang yung account mo, wala siyang insights. For those who don't know what is insights, it will give you the performance of your Instagram account. So makikita doon kung mataas ba yung engagements, marami bang nag-follow, marami bang nag-unfollow, anong time ang mataas ang engagements, anong time din magandang mag-post, anong days din yung peak, and ano yung demographics ng audience mo. So doon mo makikita. That's a very good tool para malaman mo kung sino yung mga nakakakita sa mga post mo. And that way, you can customize or you can create an engaging post based on your analytics. So that's a very good tool. Yung personal, again, yung personal walang access niyan. So you have to switch to business or creator's account for you to have an access to that. So the second advantage that you can get if you are going to switch your account to business account is that you can add contact button. So for example, sa Instagram profile mo, pwedeng mga followers mo pwedeng mag-click to email you, my button to email you, my button to call you, something ganun. That's a very good feature if you are having a business account, para mas madaling makakontak sa'yo or madali kang makontak ng mga prospect buyers or prospect customers mo. So for the third advantage that you can get if you're going to switch your personal account to business account is that you can get the feature of swipe up. Yung swipe up sa stories, you can get that, but take note na ang nakakakuha pa lang yan for now is yung may mga 10,000 followers na sa Instagram. So, if ever hindi ka pa nakaabot nun or yung account ng client mo is wala pa sa 10,000 followers, merong way where you can still do the swipe up. Tapos, pwede silang mag-click doon ng links sa description ng IGTV. So, I will just show you on how to do that para kung lesser pa ng 10,000 followers yung account nyo, you can still have that swipe up, but then it will go to your IGTV and you can click the link from the description of the IGTV. So, I hope that makes sense. So, here's a quick tutorial if you want to have a swipe up feature kahit hindi pa kayo umabot ng 10,000 followers like me. I only have 3,000, but I'm super grateful for you guys, to those who follow me. I'm so happy to connect with you here on Instagram. And yeah, here's how you are going to do it. Just click the plus button at the top right and then click stories. For example, you will just going to post sample, and then that's that. Tapos gusto mo siyang lagyan ng swipe up. just click the link here, yung katabi ng may arrow. Yan, click mo lang yan siya. Tapos, meron siyang swipe up link for IGTV video. Again, guys, you have to have video na sa IGTV na account mo para magkaroon ka ng swipe up link for IGTV. Since marami akong mga IGTV videos, meron akong ganito. And then, click ko lang siya. Tapos, I can pick kung saan dito yung gusto ko na i-connect siya. So, let's say, I'm going to pick this one and then click done. Call to action added, meaning may swipe up na siya. Tapos, lagyan na lang natin na swipe up. Swipe up. Ayan. Para pag swipe up nila, IGTV yung lalabas. And, doon sa IGTV, nasa description niya yung link na pwede nilang tignan. So, let's say, share natin. And then, punta tayo sa ibang, using the other account. So, tignan natin yung nilagay natin. Search natin si 𝗬𝗏𝘁. And then, here, tignan natin yung swipe up to watch on IGTV. So, we can swipe up and then ito yung mangyayari. Tapos, then, if you're going to click this
so, a quick background story lang.
lalabas yung, lalabas yung description. And there's a video link here where they can click
actually, accident ko lang
papunta sa YouTube video or sa kung anong link na nilagay niya. So, yeah. That's how easy it is. Hope this helps para magkaroon kayo ng swipe up na feature.
And the fourth advantage that I can say if you are going to switch your account to business account is that pwede ka na maglagay ng promotion or pwede mong i-ads yung account mo, yung post mo. And yeah, I think that's a good deal for the business owners, especially if you really want to scale up fast. Promoting your Instagram profiles, your posts can be a really big advantage if you just really know how to target your audience well. So that's that. I'm going to discuss now what's the difference between business account and creator's account. Yung creator's account, so papipiliin kasi kayo niyan. Pag i-switch niyo na siya into a professional account, papipiliin kayo whether it's creator's account or business account. Yung creator's account, mostly yung mga individual users taga, like, for example, you are an actor, you are an actress, maybe you are an athlete or an artist, digital artist. Ano pa ba yung pang isang tao lang. Yung ganon. Maybe you are an entrepreneur, pwede din yun. Yung business account naman is more on pang company siya or maybe pang agency. Maybe you are selling products or services. So, example niyan is that itong account ko na 𝗬𝗏𝘁, it's just for me. It's not for the whole company talaga. Pang individual siya na user. So, I set that one as a creator account. But yung itong BossedUp PH na account ko is nakaset siya for business account because it's an agency. Yeah, that's the difference. I hope you get that. So now I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you are going to switch your Instagram personal account to Instagram business or creators account. Check this out.
Okay, so you are currently seeing my screen right now. So this is my personal account. And the reason why hindi ko siya change to business or creators account is that I'm not really interested to know kung ano yung progress or engagement reach ng account ko na to. Because this is just for personal purposes lang. Wala akong pake kung maraming like or may mag-engage or what. I just want to post pictures here for memories. So, ito na lang yung gawin natin na for tutorial. The first thing that you should do is to click the top right button here sa yung may 3 lines. Go to settings and then click account and then click to switch to professional account and then you will just hit continue, get a free professional account, continue, learn about your followers, reach more people, continue, and get new contact options. For the categories, you can select kung ano ka, if you are an artist, musician, blogger, clothing brand, community, digital creator. Sa akin, sa 𝗬𝗏𝘁 ko, ang nilagay ko doon is I'm a digital creator. So, it's up to you if you're a writer, if you're a gamer. So, for this account, sige, lagyan na lang natin ng, ano tayo,
just the same, digital creator. And then you can display this on your profile or not, but I would like to display it para makita natin if nag-change ba talaga siya. Then hit continue. Dito yung sinasabi ko na papapipiliin ka kung anong kind of business ka. Are you a company, local business, brands, organizations, or service provider, or you are a creator like a public figures, producers, artists, influencers. Kung pang individual user ka lang, it's creator. If you are selling something, products or service, or if you're a company or an agency, use the business. But on this account, let's create this as a creator. And then next. So welcome. Ito na yung kailangan mo na i-complete. Steps to complete. So you will just have to fill out this one. Dito yung bio, website if you have a website. And dito, learn from others. You can follow here. You can invite friends. You can share photos and videos. Explore professional tools. Explore professional tools. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina na benefit kung is-switch mo siya is that meron ka ng access sa insights, and you can also promote your post or even your profile para i-visit ka nila. So that's one thing na good if you're going to switch from personal to business. And then that's done. I will just have to close it. Just click the X button, close button at the top right. And then as you can see, meron na siyang digital creator. Makikita mo na meron siyang promotions, insights, and saves. So if you're going to click insights, meron na siyang ganito. Tapos makakakuha na ng data yung Instagram pag mag-post ka ulit. Meron ng mga engagements, the likes, record niya na. That's how easy you can do it. And just the same lang din, pag business yung chinus mo, hindi yung for creator, ganun lang din. Meron ka ding i-complete na if you fill out para maging kompleto yung account mo. And then the customers, the prospect customers, can easily contact you and can easily see the products that you have.
So, ganun lang kasimple on how to switch your personal Instagram account to Instagram business account or creator's account. So, hopefully this video helps you to decide whether you're going to use the creator's account or business account, and how to use it, and what's the purpose of it, and what are the other good features if you're going to use creators rather than the business. But it's really up to you kung ano talaga yung account na gagawin mo, kung pang company, pang agency ba siya, or you are selling a product or services, something ganon. And one of the reasons why I'm teaching you now how to switch your personal Instagram account to Instagram business account, kasi sa susunod na tutorial natin, kailangan kasi na naka-business account kayo. So, I like the next tutorial. I think marami kayong nag-aabang na tutorial. So, just stay tuned. And before I'm going to end this video, I would like to flex the works of my boss babes and bosses inside my group. Check this out. So if you would like to join our Facebook group, just research I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝗏𝗏𝘁, and don't forget to follow us on my Instagram account at 𝗏𝗏𝘁 and BossedUp PH, and also like our Facebook page, BossedUp PH. And yeah, hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!